Maheshwari Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to explain about object-based data modeling technique. An data model is a data model based on the object-oriented programming, associating methods, that is in procedures, with objects that can benefit from class hierarchies. Thus, objects are levels of abstractions that include attributes and behavior. Since we are creating a number of applications in the concepts of object-oriented programming, so we have applied the object data modeling technique in order to achieve the level-based effort in object-oriented applications. A collection of objects or classes through which a program can examine and manipulate some specific parts of its world. In other words, the object-oriented interface to some service or system. Such an interface is said to be an object model of the represented service or the system. So using OOPS concepts, we can manipulate various object-oriented features here, like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, etc. that can be applied inside the coding, and we can develop a coding module based on the object-oriented programming concept. Here is an example for object data modeling. Assume that we have a parent class called car. Class name is car. A child class which is derived from the car class is Chevrolet, and an object class called camera. Using inheritance, we can easily create object Impala by taking the fields and methods from the object's camera and then further customizing Impala through additional attributes or methods. So from the parent class we can get important things and we can inherit the basic concepts from the parent class, and we can extend some new concepts inside the child class. Here is an example diagram. Person is nothing but they having the attributes like name, age, and set name, whatever it is. These are all the attributes of person. It is a parent class. From here, persons can be classified either it may be a student or doctor or engineer. So the parent class can be derived by child class, student, doctor, and engineer. The student, for a student we have attributes like roll number, branch, and marks. For doctor, the fields are doctor ID, specialist, and then what is the operation, like that the information we have under the doctor. Engineers, engineer ID, department, and how many pages they are counting, like that. So we can derive basic things from the person, that means from the parent class, and by using those parent class we can extend the properties and functions regarding to the child class. This can be applied inside this application development, that with the help of object data modeling. The object data type. The object can contain both built-in objects and user-defined objects. The built-in objects can be objects, arrays, dates, maps, set, int arrays, float arrays, promises, and more. These are all the built-in object types. Types of database models: hierarchical database model, relational, network, object-oriented, entity relationship, documentation model. These are all the types of database model. Benefits of object model: it helps in faster development of a software. It is easy to maintain. It supports relatively hassle-free upgrades. It enables reuse of objects, designs, functions. It reduces development risk, particularly in integration of complex systems. An object model is good way to describe the system because it shows the structure of the system and the relationship between different parts of the system. It can be helpful in understanding how the data in the system is organized and how different parts of the system access and use the data, etc. So here we have to identify how the objects can be accessed the data under a parent class or under a group class, whatever it is. We have to define what in which manner the object can access the data from the parent class. Thank you.